Stop translating English in your head. If you translate every English sentence in your head before you speak, you will never become a fast English speaker. And in this lesson, I'm going to show you exactly why. Think about this. Someone asks you, "What did you do yesterday?" You know the answer, but inside your head you might think, "What did? What is the past of do? Yesterday I went? How do I say this correctly?" And by the time you finish thinking, the conversation is already over. But here's the good news. You don't need to think faster. You need to stop translating. Today, I'm going to show you how. Step 1. Stop translating word by word. Don't learn English like this. English, translated to your language, giving us the meaning. Instead, train your brain to think. English, meaning. For example, when you hear "I'm hungry," don't translate it. Just imagine yourself feeling hungry. When you hear "it's raining," imagine the rain. When you hear "I'm tired," imagine yourself feeling tired. This is how you start thinking in English. Step 2. Learn phrases, not individual words. Native speakers don't build every sentence one word at a time. They use familiar phrases. Instead of learning make plus decision, learn make a decision. Instead of take and shower, learn take a shower. Instead of look and forward, learn look forward to it. Your brain remembers these phrases as complete units, and that makes speaking much faster. Step 3. Use easy English first. Many learners try to sound advanced. That's a mistake. You don't need complicated English to communicate. Instead of "I was extremely exhausted due to the fact I had been working all day," you can simply say, "I'm really tired. I've been working all day." Simple English is a powerful tool. Your goal is not to impress people. Your goal is to communicate naturally. Step 4. Train with questions. Here's a simple exercise. I'll ask you a question. Don't translate. Don't write anything. Just answer in English. Question 1. What did you do this morning? Pause. Think in English. And answer. I woke up, had breakfast, and went to work. Here's another one. Question 2. What are you doing right now? You can say, I'm watching this lesson, or I'm studying English, or I'm relaxing at home. The important thing is, answer immediately. Don't wait for perfect English. Stop waiting for perfect English. This is one of the biggest problems English learners have. They think, I need to speak perfectly. No, you don't. You need to speak. You will make mistakes. That's normal. You made mistakes when you learned your first language too. So don't wait until your English is perfect. Speak now. Your mistakes are part of the process. The 5-minute daily challenge. Here's what I want you to do every day. Set a timer for 5 minutes. During those 5 minutes, speak only English. Talk about what you did today, what you're doing now, what you ate, where you went, what you're planning to do tomorrow, and what you're thinking about. Don't stop, don't translate, don't worry about grammar, just speak. After a few weeks, something amazing will happen. You'll start finding English words without consciously searching for them. That's when English starts becoming automatic. Final practice. Repeat the sentences out loud. I'm tired. I'm hungry. I'm a little busy. What are you doing? What did you do today? I'm not sure. Let me think about it. I'll let you know. That sounds good. I completely agree. Don't just read them. Say them out loud. Because reading English is not the same as speaking English. Final message. Remember, don't translate English. Don't wait for the perfect English. Don't be afraid of mistakes. Start with simple sentences. practice every day, and most importantly, speak. Because you don't become fluent by knowing more English. You become fluent by using the English you already know. If you found this lesson useful, save it and practice these sentences every day. See you in the next lesson.